There are so few homes on the market today, and even fewer that come close to meeting our expectations, that I know a lot of you guys are thinking about building your own home. So not only do owner builders get the exact home that they want, but they can save up to 30% or more in the process. But before you can seriously start thinking about building your own home, you really need to figure out how to finance the project. And this can be a challenge for owner builders because traditional banks shy away from the risks associated with funding a construction project run by those with just a little construction experience. But there are options for owner builder financing out there. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a few thoughts on obtaining money for your dream home project. Now, I'm going to cover the easiest money source for those that already own a home with equity. I'll also cover the minimum amount of money that you need to be able to get a construction loan. And we'll also cover a couple of the major credit requirements to get the loan. So let's dive in. So we just finished up interviewing one of the foremost authorities on owner builder loans for our new online course, ownerbuilderclass.com. And today I want to cover just a few of the key items we discussed for financing your new dream home build. First, if you currently own a home and have equity in it, a home equity line of credit could be a great option for financing your new home build. A home equity line of credit is also called a HELOC, and it allows you to use equity in your existing home to fund some or all of the project. Using a HELOC simplifies the loan process as you don't have to go through the bank draw process like a typical construction loan, which requires on-site inspections by the lender to prove that the work is getting done. A HELOC can also be a less expensive method for construction financing. Then when your new home is completed, you'll get a conventional mortgage on it. Then you will sell your old home or just use the new home mortgage to pay back the HELOC. But what if the equity in your existing home isn't enough to cover the full lot and house construction costs? Well, to get started, you'll need some equity for the owner builder loan. And according to Fred Arnold, the president and CEO of Owner Builder Loans LLC, your equity requirement will be 25% of the loan amount. So let's say that you have $50,000 in cash. You can get approved for a $200,000 loan, which would give you a total of $250,000 to cover your lot and the construction of your new home. But what if you own your lot already? Well, you can use the equity in the lot as part of your initial 25% equity requirement. So to make things easy, if you own the lot free and clear with no loan on it and it appraises for $50,000, you can use this as your 25% equity for the $200,000 construction loan. Or if you don't yet own the lot, going back to the previous HELOC example, you could use $50,000 of equity from your existing home for the minimum equity requirement to get the construction loan. Another slightly more creative option for financing a lot or land to build your dream home on is to ask the lot owner to provide their own financing. This could help you get started. And in any case, I would recommend having at least the minimum 25% equity to start. But what about the requirements to get the owner builder loan? Well, you need good credit. At this time, you need at least a 725 credit score and be able to meet the minimum debt to income ratio of 38%. And if you aren't familiar with this ratio, it's basically the total of your monthly debt payments you make on credit cards, cars, personal loans, things like that, divided by your total gross monthly income. We go in depth into this topic and every other major activity required to build a new home in our new online course for owner builders. So if you're interested in learning to build your own home, please stop by and see us at ownerbuilderclass.com, and I'll put the link in the description below. Take care.